हाँ जी students, in this video we are going to discuss about another aspect of organic chemistry, that is types of bond cleavage. Cleavage means to say breakage. When we break a covalent bond, it can be broken in two ways. So we have two types of bond cleavage that are encountered in the reactions of organic chemistry. So first type of bond cleavage, which is also called bond fission or bond breakage, is homolytic fission या homolytic cleavage, which is also called homolysis. So homolytic cleavage की या homolysis की या एक ऐसा बॉन्ड ब्रेकेज जिहदे विच बॉन्ड दे जिहड़े दो इलैक्ट्रॉन्स आ जिन्होंने असीं बॉन्ड पेयर या शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलैक्ट्रॉन्स कहने आ, एक एक इलैक्ट्रॉन जिहड़ा वा ਉਹ एक एटम को जाए. बोथ द बॉन्डेड एटम्स गेट वन इलैक्ट्रॉन ऑफ द बॉन्ड पेयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव Cl, single bond Cl, and radiations are incident, UV visible radiations are incident. The two electrons of bond pair, one is taken up by each of the two bonded atoms. So we get Cl dot plus Cl dot. Dot represents single electron, unpaired electron, and such type of species are called free radicals. So whenever homolytic cleavage takes place, free radicals are formed. We can take another example. For example, we have CH4 या ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ खोल के लिखिए इस तरीके नाल plus Cl dot. Now in this reaction what will happen? 4 CH bonds, they are all are equivalent. So say this bond is broken, homolytic cleavage हो गया इस बॉन्ड का. ठीक है जी. ਜਦੋਂ homolytic cleavage होया H dot बाहर निकलिया और C dot बनया. H dot it will combine with Cl dot. So we get HCl as a side product, and here we get this thing H, and C is having a dot. Dot means to say one single electron. So this is methyl free radical. So this and this, they represent homolytic cleavage in which the neutral particles containing odd or unpaired electrons are formed, which are called free radicals. तो homolytic cleavage free radical बनते हैं. दूसरा है heterolytic cleavage. Which is also called heterolysis. सो ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੌਂਡ ਟੁੱਟੂਗਾ ਬੌਂਡ ਦੇ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰॉन्स ਇਕੁਅਲੀ ਸ਼ੇਅਰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੇ. ਦੋਨੋਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰॉन्स ਇੱਕੋ ਐਟਮ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਗੇ. both the electrons of shared pair of electrons will be taken up by one of the two bonded atoms. So hetero मतलब different. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, for example we have CH3Cl. ਇਹਦੀ heterolytic ਜਦੋਂ fission ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਆ वाले बॉन्ड दे दोनों इलैक्ट्रॉन्स क्लोरीन लेके जाएगा. दिस बॉन्ड इज एक्चुअली बिटवीन कार्बन एंड क्लोरीन. सो वी विल बी गेटिंग CH3 पॉजिटिव प्लस Cl नेगेटिव, बिकॉज क्लोरीन हैज़ टेकन अप इलैक्ट्रॉन्स एंड कार्बन हैज़ गिवन द इलैक्ट्रॉन्स. सच टाइप ऑफ स्पीशीज इज कॉल्ड कार्बोकेटायन. कार्बन containing positive charge is called carbocation. We can have another example. Say we have CH3Mg. Carbon is bonded to magnesium. So what will happen when this bond will show heterolytic cleavage? Both the electrons in this case will be taken up by carbon, because magnesium is metal and metals don't gain electrons, they always lose electrons. वो हमेशा electrons दिंदियां ही हैं. So we will be getting CH3 negative plus Mg positive. and this is called carb anion. Carbon having negative charge is called carb anion. So we get cations and anions in heterolytic fission, and the two electrons of bond pair are taken up by that atom which is more electronegative. This thing is to be kept in mind. For example, in this case chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ chlorine दोनों electrons ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ. In this case magnesium is metal, so it is electropositive, so automatically carbon is having more electronegativity, so carbon is taking up both electrons. The two electrons, the bond pair is taken up by that atom which is more electronegative. This is important thing which is to be kept in mind in case of heterolytic cleavage. And this is all about the types of bond cleavage, heterolytic cleavage and homolytic cleavage.